Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do the short vowel sound of alphabet E. Some sight words and then some sentences. So let's begin with the short vowel sound of E, which is eh sound. The first family of our is ed. And the first word of our ed family is bed. B, bed. B produced by alphabet B, E sound produced by E, and then alphabet D. If I had to say this will be B, add, bad. And this is B, ed, bed. So difference between bed and bad. You see the sound? You see the circle that my mouth makes when I say ah, and then is little flattened up. The next word is fed. Alphabet F. Produced by E and D. Fed. Led. L. Alphabet L. E. Produced by alphabet E and D. Led. The next one is the color red. R. Alphabet R, E, alphabet E, and then D, red. And the next one is shed. Sh. SH makes a sound of sh. E makes a sound of E here, and then D. Sh, E, she, and then the shed. The last one of ed family is ved. V sound produced by W, E sound produced by E, and then ending with D, which is alphabet D. Before moving on to the sight words, let's do these words one more time. B, ed, bed. F, ed, fed. L, ed, led. R, ed, red. Sh, ed, shed. And V, ed, ved. Sight words. The first sight word that we have today is they. TH makes a sound of the, and we have a. They. They are my friends. This sentence also has our new sight word, which is are. Are. They are my friends. So are is our next sight word. First one, they, and then are. Sentences. Why are we doing sentences so fast? We are doing sentences so that we can bring confidence in the young reader's mind that he can read the small sentences all by himself. This confidence can lead them to write simple sentences too. So let's begin with our sentence. sight word she, sh, e, she, fed, fed, the, sight word again, the, she fed the cat. Easy, isn't it? The, sight word again, shed, shed, is, red, red. And this brings the end of today's lesson. Hope you liked it. And if you did, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you.